Hey JR, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick screencast going over to you guys. I'm going to give you guys a quick website audit, show you some high search volume keywords that I think could generate a lot of traffic headed to your guys' website. Then we'll look at what the competition is for those keywords and what you guys have to do to get to the top spot. So looking at your guys' website, I do like the layout. It's well built, very user friendly. Couple recommendations I have for you guys is this phone number is not a click to call. So making this a click to call to where people are able to get a hold of you from their mobile devices or cell phones, it will make it a lot easier for them, and I think would really help your guys' conversions once people are getting to your guys' website. Another recommendation I do have for you guys, you have your contact form down here at the bottom. Moving this up to where it's a little more easily accessible for people when they're first getting to your website. Again, this is to help with conversions. This isn't to help with rankings. But just for that ease of people being able to get a hold of you guys very easily, I think would really help you guys with your conversions once people are getting to your website. The last thing that I kind of recommend would be the amount of content you have on this website. So there was a recent study done by Google. They looked at over 1 million different websites, looking at the top ranked across multiple niches. And they found from this study that the top ranked sites all had at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. So increasing the amount of content you have, with including some of these keywords that I'm going to go over with you guys in this content, to where when people are searching for these keywords, Google knows to pull you guys up in the rankings for them or in the searches for them, would really help you guys out with the amount of people you have coming to your website. So looking at keywords, bathroom remodeling Houston is currently getting 1,200 searches per month, and kitchen remodeling Houston is right at the same. So again, 1,200 searches per month. So looking at your guys' website, you can actually search through your website, bathroom remodeling Houston. You guys don't have it on here a single time for this homepage. And this is where a lot of your traffic is being directed towards right now, is this homepage. So including these high volume search words in there would really help you guys out with your rankings. And let's see if it's kitchen remodeling Houston again. So it's not mentioned a single time on this homepage. So including that in that content would really help you guys out with your rankings. So looking at bathroom remodeling Houston, there's a couple different things we look for here. So this is Google paid ads. So this is people paying Google to have their website put to the top here. It is a great option for generating traffic, but your return on investment isn't as great as if you were to have your business in this GMB or 3-pack and organically ranked through here. So there's a couple different factors for how you can get your business into the GMB. The first one is the number of citations you have going to your website. A citation is your business name, address, and phone number out there on the web. You can get these citations on websites like Yelp, Yellow Book. These are all directory sites that allow you to get these citation sources where you can put this information in. Another one is the GMB description. So the description you guys actually have on your GMB, which you guys don't currently have a description. So by putting that on there and including, again, some of these high search volume keywords in that description, when people are doing those searches, they'll know to search for, or they'll know to pull up your guys' website for that as well. And then the last one is your organic rankings, so where your business sits organically. So for this search term, you guys are currently sitting at 55th. Show you guys real quick here. One more page. So you guys are currently, they're 56, sorry. So you guys are sitting right here at 56. So moving up into those top spots, for those two keywords, you're looking at 2,400 searches per month. For each one of those, when you're in that top spot, you can usually figure to be getting about 33% of that search volume headed to your website. So if you were to rank in the top for bathroom remodeling Houston, you could figure on getting about 400 searches per month coming to your website just for that one keyword. So looking at your guys' website and what you guys have going on the back end, we're going to head over to Ahrefs here, and we are going to look at your backlinks. Give me just one sec here, sorry. We're going to look at the number of backlinks, the number of referring domains you have. Backlinks, the best way to describe what a backlink is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. You have the most popular kid in school, or site A, links himself to the least popular kid in school, or site B, and in turn it brings some of that popularity up for site B and makes you look more popular in Google's eyes, and in turn brings you up in the rankings. So what you're looking for these is do follow domains, which means you're getting some of this backlink juice is what we call it, back to your website, which brings that popularity up. So currently you guys have 393 backlinks with 41 referring domains, with 13 of those being do follow. So that means 13 of those you're getting that popularity back to your website. So looking at what your competition has, the top ranked is Gulf Remodeling. So they do have more content on this homepage or on this page. So definitely it's nothing that you guys couldn't get more content on your page than what they have. But other than that, there's nothing really that impresses me that much looking at their website. Back-end wise, they have 260 backlinks from 67 referring domains, but 49 of those are do follow. The backlinks, while they're great, the referring domains is really the main factor you're looking at here when it comes to the rankings of your website. So for that 49 do follow, again, that's not a great number. You guys could definitely pass that up if you put some work into it. And I think you guys would see a lot of results, a lot of new clients headed to your guys' website. So if you have any questions on this, definitely reach out. I'd love to talk to you more. Thank you.